Weight loss companies are being taken to court accused of not doing enough to warn about the risks that come with these drugs. 9 News legal expert Whitney Traylor joins us now to talk more about this lawsuit. So I guess we start with the easy question.
Yeah.
What are the claims exactly against the makers of Ozempic and other drugs like that?
Yeah, so they're the manufacturers of GLP-1 drugs, and so this has actually been going on for several months. And so the claims were that they weren't giving adequately warning some of the side effects, that they knew that these side effects were an issue, they were downplaying it, negligence, emotional distress. But recently there's been an influx of cases that were just filed this month, really in the last 6 weeks. And those ones are really related to them downplaying the side effects. So it actually reminds me a lot of the big tobacco in the 90s, them knowing that, hey, this is addictive, but not letting people know.
Do we know the exact number of lawsuits? Because I know it's more than just a couple.
Yeah, it's more than a couple, actually. It's we do know the exact number as of this morning, 3,191. So there's almost 3,200 cases, and there's going to be a bunch more as well. And the damages are over $2 billion in damages, because the pain and suffering, this is like very severe. They have abdominal swelling, vomiting, undigested food hours after eating it. So the whole stomach is not working. They call it gastroparesis, which is kind of like paralysis of the stomach. And then the most recent rash of cases has been related to vision loss. So a lot of people are losing their vision as well. So it's pretty intense damages.
So this isn't a class action lawsuit. This is something known as a multi-district litigation.
Yes, that's right.
What the heck is the difference there? Now I'm getting lost.
Exactly. Let's keep it simple. No, that's essentially, it's not quite a class action, but they've consolidated the cases so that there's similar discovery process, similar facts and witnesses. So here it's really 1 to 2 judges that are looking at the majority of these cases, and they have the 2 tracks going. So they have the stomach paralysis cases that are really on one stream, and then they have the vision loss going on another stream. And it just makes it easier, it makes settlement easier when there's some similarity, but people can still file their own individual lawsuit. They don't have to be part of a class, but they'll probably be in New Jersey where the Ozempic is located.
Do you get automatically shifted into one of these ongoing lawsuits if you try to file on your own?
That's part of the whole protocol process to decide, hey, are all these cases coming here? But no, there's still people suing in different states, but the vast majority are in New Jersey, where Nova Nordics, who manufactures these drugs, is located.
Is anyone and everyone eligible to file a lawsuit, or is it more complicated than that?
No, I think, well, 1, you have to have damages, you have to be prescribed it. What was a little unclear to me, and we did a story on this maybe 6 months ago, and the comments, people were really aggressive on the comments saying, hey, if you're taking this for weight loss, then that's on you. Like if you have to take it for diabetes. So they were very, unsympathetic. But right now, it's a lot of the people who are taking it for the weight loss that are actually becoming plaintiffs. So really, you do have to have some damages. So I read today there's a lot of lawyers that are advertising to take these types of cases. And one of them said, look, if you have consistent vomiting for 4 weeks or more, call us, basically. So if you just have a stomach ache, you're probably not going to be part of the plaintiffs. But if the damages are a little more serious, you can do it.
I feel like we can keep going back and forth on this topic, and maybe we'll bring it up again, because this is far from over, Whitney.
Yes.
For the time being, we're going to thank you for being here this morning.